How can it be possible that college graduation rates and unfilled job openings are both at record-breaking highs? That seems counterintuitive, but it's true. According to recent surveys, more than 33% of employers have unfilled job openings. They simply can't find applicants with the necessary skills. The solution? Industry certifications. Certifications go beyond simply earning a grade. They validate skills and confirm knowledge gains against a universally accepted set of industry standards. They provide a baseline set of knowledge, help to ensure a job applicant's credibility, and result in higher starting salaries compared to non-certified candidates, giving students an added advantage towards employment. Regional employers are very familiar with industry certifications, and they look for them. They have learned that certified employees are more confident, more knowledgeable, reach job proficiency more quickly, and are more reliable. They perform at higher levels, are retained longer, and have a higher likelihood of being promoted. Perfectly aligned with employer needs, certifications help prove students have the knowledge and skills needed to get the job done. In response, we are embedding industry certifications in classes and encouraging students to demonstrate skill mastery by earning certifications before as part of their coursework.